Verifying your Zomato account is essential for accessing all features and ensuring a smooth experience. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Download the Zomato app. Install the Zomato app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store if you haven't already. Open the app and sign up for an account using your email address or phone number. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by tapping on the user icon or your profile picture. Look for the settings option, usually represented by a gear icon, and select it to access your account settings. Step 3. Find verification option. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled Verify Account or Account Verification. This section will guide you through the verification process. Step 4. Provide required information. Follow the prompts to enter any required information, such as your phone number or email address. You may need to receive a verification code via SMS or email, so ensure you have access to the contact method you provided. Step 5. Confirm verification. Enter the verification code you received into the app to confirm your account. Once submitted, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully verified. After completing these steps, your Zomato account will be verified, allowing you to enjoy all the features the platform has to offer.